In this video, I'm going to show you how you can spotlight someone in a meeting. By spotlighting someone, you'll be displaying that person on the larger part of your screen, and more attention will be given to the person who has been spotlighted. You may want to spotlight someone if they are guests who have been given chance to speak, or they want to make a presentation that the whole community or the whole team in the meeting needs to see. So to do that, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, as you can see, I have here a mock-up of a meeting going on, and we have two people in. So I'll wish to give the guest here a spotlight, that is to give him a chance to present or to give him appearance on the larger screen. To do that, just head to first people, and this will highlight all the people in the meeting. To spotlight any of the speaker, now just head over to the account of the person and tap on these three lines for options, and you can see we have spotlight for everyone. You also have other options such as to mute participant, pin, or even remove from meeting. Now to spotlight them, just tap on it and spotlight for everyone, and then confirm spotlight for me. You are told you will highlight this video for everyone in the meeting. Confirm by tapping on spotlight, and now their interface will be highlighted here. You can see the guest has been spotlighted here. Now, should you want to stop spotlighting, just head to the account again and tap on more options here on the name of the account that has been spotlighted, and tap on stop spotlighting and then confirm, and now this will revert to your display. So that's how you can spotlight someone in Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.